They say, fake it till you make it. But what if faking it is the exact reason you never make it? Here's why trying to look rich could be keeping you broke, and why looking poor might just be your ticket to financial freedom. We're stuck in a cycle of chasing new things just to feel good. A brand new phone, that designer hoodie, the latest car. Each purchase feels amazing for a moment, but it fades, doesn't it? That thrill you get? Psychologists call this the hedonic treadmill. No matter how much you buy, you stay in the same place emotionally, running faster but getting nowhere. And it's not just science. Look around your life. How many people do you know who upgrade their phones every year, splurge on vacations they can't afford, or buy luxury cars just to flex on Instagram? Now ask yourself, are they really happy or just more stressed, living paycheck to paycheck? Studies show that 78% of Americans are doing just that, paycheck to paycheck. Whatever they're doing, you don't want to copy it. Stick with me till the end to uncover powerful lessons from icons like Keanu Reeves, Leonardo DiCaprio, Ed Sheeran, Dave Ramsey, Ratan Tata, Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, and many more. You don't want to miss these game-changing insights. 1. Simplicity makes you richer. Imagine someone gifts you a Lamborghini. At first, you're thrilled. But then reality kicks in. Premium gas, $2,000 annual services, and insurance that costs 5 times more than a regular car. Before long, this free gift feels like a burden. This is what psychologists call the Diderot effect. French philosopher Denis Diderot once received a luxurious robe that made everything else in his life feel inadequate. To match its elegance, he replaced his furniture, art, and belongings, eventually spending more than he could afford. Sound familiar? Now, consider Keanu Reeves. Despite being one of Hollywood's biggest stars, Keanu lives modestly. He's often seen riding public transportation, wearing simple clothes, and avoiding the celebrity lifestyle. Why? Because he knows that simplicity allows him to focus on his craft and personal happiness. Living modestly doesn't mean depriving yourself. It means freeing up resources to invest in what really matters, building an emergency fund, learning new skills, or even just creating a cushion for peace of mind. Take Azim Premji, the Indian business tycoon. Worth billions, he drives a Toyota Corolla, flies economy, and avoids luxury. His simple lifestyle allows him to focus on philanthropy, dedicating much of his wealth to causes like education and healthcare. Both Keanu and Premji show us that simplicity isn't about sacrifice, it's about clarity and focus. 2. Breaking free from the cycle. When you're trying to keep up, you're stuck in a loop. A new phone today, a fancier car tomorrow. It's exhausting and expensive. I've been there. I used to drive an old Honda CR-V. At first, I was embarrassed, but over time I realized something. The money I saved gave me freedom. Freedom to invest, save, and eventually quit a job I hated. That old car wasn't a step down, it was a step forward. Take Kristen Bell, for example. Despite her success, she's known for her frugality. She famously bought her wedding dress for $142 and shops at Target. Kristen proves that by opting out of the cycle of upgrades, you can prioritize what really matters. Another great example is Leonardo DiCaprio. Despite being one of the highest-paid actors in Hollywood, DiCaprio avoids extravagant spending. He drives a Toyota Prius, flies commercial whenever possible, and even wore the same tuxedo to multiple red carpet events. DiCaprio focuses his resources on causes that matter to him, like environmental activism, instead of chasing material status symbols. By choosing simplicity, he's able to channel his wealth toward meaningful impact and long-term sustainability. Every time you choose not to buy something flashy, you're reclaiming a piece of your freedom. Would you rather impress strangers on social media or have the financial freedom to pursue your dreams? 3. Authentic living attracts the right people. When you stop trying to look rich, you attract people who care about you, not your wallet. I remember a time in Hong Kong when a friend of mine insisted on a $500 night out. Fancy restaurants, a club table, and splitting the cost. I left early, realizing I didn't need friends who valued me for how much I could spend. Now think about Ed Sheeran. Despite his fame, Ed lives a surprisingly humble life. He said he doesn't care for flashy things and focuses on his music and relationships. This mindset helps him stay grounded and maintain genuine connections with people who value him for who he is, not what he owns. Living modestly isn't just about saving money. It's about building authentic relationships. People who value you for your character, not your possessions, are the ones who'll truly enrich your life. Emma Watson, known for her success in the Harry Potter franchise, advocates for sustainable fashion and consciously avoids fast fashion trends. Her grounded lifestyle attracts fans and friends who align with her values. 4. The hidden costs of looking rich. Every new purchase has hidden costs. A bigger house? Higher taxes, more cleaning, and higher utility bills. A luxury car? Premium gas, pricey maintenance, and more stress over every scratch. Each upgrade ties you tighter to a job or lifestyle you may not even like. Look at Dave Ramsey. A financial guru, he preaches living below your means and avoiding debt. Ramsey's approach is simple. The less you owe, the more freedom you have. And it works. Thousands of his followers have used his methods to pay off debt and build financial stability. Another example is Mark Zuckerberg. Despite being one of the richest people in the world, Mark is often seen wearing a plain gray t-shirt and jeans. He explained that simplifying his wardrobe eliminates unnecessary decisions, letting him focus on more important matters. 5. Even billionaires keep it simple. Here's the thing. The wealthiest people didn't need to show off. Ratan Tata, one of India's most respected industrialists, was a perfect example. Despite his immense wealth, Tata lived a simple life. He drove a modest car, lived in a modest home, and focused on philanthropy. Through the Tata Trusts, he dedicated billions to education, healthcare, and rural development. Tata's humility reminds us that true wealth isn't about flashy cars or designer clothes. It's about creating a legacy and living with purpose. Similarly, Warren Buffett, one of the richest people in the world, still lives in the house he bought in 1958 and drives a basic car. These billionaires understand that financial security and peace of mind are far more valuable than outward appearances. By living simply, you not only save money, you also save yourself from the stress and pressure of maintaining a high-status lifestyle. 6. Avoiding social media traps. Social media thrives on portraying a lifestyle of wealth and luxury. Much of it isn't real. People rent luxury cars, pose in private jets they don't own, and spend beyond their means just for likes and followers. This creates a false narrative that pressures others to keep up. The cycle is exhausting and damaging. Studies have shown that excessive social media use is linked to higher levels of anxiety and depression, often driven by comparison. A survey by Credit Karma revealed that 39% of people feel pressured by social media to spend more money to appear successful. It's a game no one wins, except the platforms profiting from your engagement. Consider Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft. Despite leading one of the world's largest tech companies, Nadella is admired for his humility and grounded approach to life. He focuses on innovation, empathy, and creating positive change rather than flaunting wealth or luxury. His social media often showcases his thoughts on leadership, technology, and personal growth, rather than any display of extravagance. Nadella's minimalist and values-driven lifestyle serves as a reminder that true success lies in purpose and impact, not in material possessions. The takeaway? Resist the urge to compare your life to filtered images. Instead of chasing likes or trying to match the curated lifestyles of influencers, focus on building your wealth quietly, away from the noise of social media. Real success doesn't come from a staged photo. It comes from the quiet discipline of consistent effort. 7. Minimalism as a wealth builder. Minimalism isn't just about owning less. It's about focusing on what truly matters. It's about cutting out the clutter in your life, both physical and mental, so you can create space for meaningful opportunities and goals. By intentionally owning fewer, higher quality items, you not only simplify your life, but also save significant money over time. Take Steve Jobs, for example. Known for his iconic black turtleneck, Jobs avoided decision fatigue by simplifying his wardrobe. Instead of spending time choosing what to wear, he reserved his energy for more important decisions, like driving innovation at Apple. This minimalist mindset extended to his work philosophy, where simplicity and focus became the cornerstone of Apple's design and strategy. Another great example is Reese Witherspoon. Known for her successful acting career and entrepreneurship, Reese values simplicity and intentional living. Despite her fame and fortune, she has often spoken about her preference for practical, timeless fashion and her focus on creating meaningful experiences with her family. Through her production company, Hello Sunshine, Reese has emphasized storytelling that aligns with her values rather than chasing excessive luxury. Her lifestyle demonstrates that prioritizing what truly matters can lead to both personal fulfillment and professional success. Minimalism isn't just about aesthetics or organization, it's a wealth-building strategy. When you eliminate the urge to constantly upgrade or accumulate, you can channel your resources into investments, education, or experiences that provide lasting value. Imagine redirecting the money you might spend on unnecessary purchases into an index fund or savings account. Over time, the financial and emotional rewards compound. The power of minimalism lies in its ability to simplify decisions, reduce financial strain, and align your life with your priorities. When you apply minimalism to your finances, you're not just saving money. You're creating mental clarity and freedom to pursue what truly matters. 8. Setting an example for the next generation. Living modestly doesn't just benefit you, it sets a powerful example for others, especially the next generation. Whether it's your children, friends, or community, showing that wealth isn't about flashy spending can inspire others to rethink their priorities and adopt a more sustainable and meaningful approach to money. Consider Elon Musk. Despite being one of the richest people in the world, Elon has repeatedly expressed his disinterest in material possessions. In fact, he's sold most of his physical properties, choosing to live in a modest, prefabricated house near his SpaceX headquarters. His focus remains on innovation and building a sustainable future through ventures like Tesla and SpaceX. Elon's lifestyle highlights that true wealth is not about possessions, but about pursuing meaningful goals and creating lasting change. Another example is LeBron James. Despite being one of the wealthiest athletes in the world, LeBron is known for his frugality and financial wisdom. He avoids excessive spending, invests in his community, and emphasizes the importance of education and giving back. His I Promise School initiative demonstrates how financial independence and modest living can lead to lasting impact. By prioritizing substance over flash, LeBron sets a powerful example for young people, showing that true success is about what you give, not just what you gain. By leading through example, you create a ripple effect. Whether it's teaching your kids about budgeting, inspiring a friend to save more, or influencing your community to value substance over style, modest living has the power to reshape how people view wealth and success. The legacy you leave behind isn't about material possessions, it's about the values you instill in others. Einstein once said, "A calm and modest life brings more happiness than the pursuit of success combined with constant restlessness." And he was right. Choosing to live below your means isn't about sacrifice, it's about creating the freedom to design your life on your terms. Every dollar you save by not chasing trends is a dollar that works toward your future. Imagine taking $500 you'd spend on something flashy and investing it instead. Over 25 years, that could grow into $140,000 in the stock market. That's life-changing money, not just for you, but for the generations to come. Looking poor doesn't mean living poorly. It means choosing freedom over appearances, peace over stress, and authenticity over ego. It's not about impressing others. It's about living a life that aligns with your values and goals. If this video gave you a fresh perspective or inspired you to take control of your financial journey, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And I'd love to hear your thoughts. What's one way you're simplifying your life or working toward financial independence? Drop it in the comments below and let's start a conversation. Don't forget to share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. It might just change their life. And if you're ready for more insights like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Your support means the world, and it helps us keep creating content to help you grow. Thanks for watching,